Hey guys, sometimes you find yourself having to work with data from different sources. And in front of us here, for example, we have a dashboard that has been created using three different sources. You can see them here on the right. I'm going to expand this so you can see them. You probably notice that some of these simply just don't make any sense. For example, all these are exactly the same. If you come to this visual over here, everything looks exactly the same. If you come to this visual here, it looks exactly the same. The slicers are likely not to work as you expect them. You are very unlikely to relate one visual with another. The filters on one visual may not affect the other visual like you expect them, simply because the data is not linked properly. So how you resolve this, you come here to the model view, and you can see that my data sources are here. I also have a fourth one here that I've tried to hide, but for these purposes, these are the three that we are using. And if you look at the table view, you can see that this one has country. This is world populations. If you come to continents, you can see there is a common field here, column here, called country. If you come to capital cities again, we have a column called country. So I'll come back to the model view. I'll pick country from here, just click on it and drop it to country. Now you can see that Power BI has established a relationship. I'll do the same here, just click on it, bring it over here, and then release it. Again, Power BI has now related this table to this one. Now, if we come back to the report view, you can see that the visuals have changed. This one is different. It looks different. Actually, this one has also changed. This one has changed. All the bars were showing exactly the same figure. The same with this one. Everything has changed. Your slicers will now work properly. Let's try it. You can see everything is working just as you expect it to do. And that's all there is to it. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, go ahead and subscribe to our channel, like it, share it with your friends, and have a nice day.